Shelly's Homemade, and today, guys, we're going to be making some cornbread stuffing, or dressing. Whichever you like to call it, that's what we're making. For that, you're going to need some veggies that I've already cut. I have celery, bell peppers, red onion, and a sweet Vidalia onion. I have some chicken broth here, some poultry seasoning, some black pepper, some granulated garlic. Oh, that was onion. I'm sorry. Granulated onion, some granulated garlic. I have some seasoned oil, and we're going to use some salt. I have these bratwurst sausages that we're going to take out of the casing. I'm only going to use 2 of those. And I have my Pepperidge Farm cornbread classic stuffing. Now, I love to use this. I don't have to make it and then wait for it to dry out and do all of that other stuff. Especially on Thanksgiving when you have so much to do. So, this should help you out tremendously. And I also have some minced garlic, a stick of butter. Alright, guys? So, let's get started on this delicious, so tasty cornbread stuffing, guys. Alright, guys, let's move over to the stove and I'll meet you there. First thing we're going to do, we're going to cut our casing open. Yep, I think so. Down the middle. We're going to take the casing right off. You can use chicken sausage, turkey sausage, or you could just shred some chicken and use that. That would work great. Some giblets, whatever you want to use in your dressing mix. You know, the holidays are right around the corner. And what we want to do is get everybody all ready for the holiday season with some easy but yet homemade feel to them, homemade meals that doesn't require a lot just for you to get them done. We're gonna get these cooked down, and when we come, so what you want to do is just smash them up, make sure they get a good crumble on them, just like you would do ground beef. If these are ground bratwurst sausages, they come in chicken and turkey. So if you wanted to use that instead of pork, you can use that. But this is what I'm using. Use whatever you like. Will be great. You know, if you don't like what I'm using, fine. You know, use what you want to use. You know. You can use some turkey giblets. If you want to keep the theme of all turkey, that's fine too. But just make sure you get in here and make sure they're in like bite-sized pieces into your stuffing. Alright guys, so this is where your sausage should be, all nice and crumbly just like that. I switched from my spatula to my wooden, from my rubber spatula to my wooden spatula. So I'm going to add half of this, see how I'm liking that. Celery. Add more. Now we're going to go in with our stick of butter. Go in with a little more celery. Maybe a couple more bell peppers. A little bit more onion. Alright, that should do. And this is what I'm looking for, guys. Now, You know what I forgot? My pear. And I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys, so this is my pear. I'm going to chop it up while my butter melts, and I'll be back. Alright, guys, so now I'm just going to cut my pear up into... I'm only going to do half the pear. I'm just going to cut it up. And it brings so much flavor, a hint of sweetness to this bread. Not only does the cornbread bring a little bit of sweetness, but this brings a little bit of sweetness too. It balances out the flavor. You can use an apple. I use apple too all the time. I have another dressing video. Go check that out. All my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you'll be notified every time Shelly uploads one of these delicious, awesome recipes for you guys. Alright, so that's half of my pear. Oh, wow. Doesn't that look amazing, guys? Look at that. Alright, so now let's add some garlic to the situation. About a teaspoon of garlic in here, like this. And we're going to add some black pepper. Oh my God, it's not coming out the way I want to. Add some black pepper to it. We're going to add some onion powder. Some poultry seasoning. We want to add that much, about 2 tablespoons. We want to add some garlic powder. Oh yeah, this is going to be, how my son said, it's going to be a missile, mommy. Alright, a little seasoning, a tablespoon of seasoning. This. Now you can make your own chicken broth. That's not what we're doing today. I'll add it all into our pot. And see, and this saves time. All that right into the pot. This will save you so much time. And I'm trying to tell you, all you got to do is just pour it right into your pan. Pour it right into your pan, guys. Alright, now we're going in this. And everything is all nice and seasoned. Now I'm going to get my pan together. I come back, we're going to pour it in there. We're going to get this baby into the oven. And that's going to be that. Look at that. See how easy this was? This was nothing to it. Everything went right into this pan. And we're going to turn this off, and then we don't need that. You don't need an egg for this, but if you would like to crack an egg, and if you think that's going to bind it, help, by all means, help yourself. This right here, make sure it's nice and wet. You know what? One more thing, guys. One more thing. See, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm getting just a little bit ahead of myself. I almost forgot. The chicken bouillon brings that. We only want a little bit, and that way, just a little bit is all you need. matches that. It's gonna be delicious, guys. Absolutely delicious. Look at this. It's all mixed in. Nice and wet. Pinch of salt. Just a pinch of salt, guys. Just a pinch. Not too much. That was pink Mahalian salt. There you have it. We're going to get this into a 375-degree oven. When I come back, I'm going to show you how to get it into the pan. Alright, so these pans right here will definitely come in handy during your Thanksgiving dinner. Just get it right into there. Like that. Absolutely amazing. Work it up a little bit. Alright, there you have it. Alright, when we come back, I'll show you what it's looking like. Alright guys, so this is our cornbread dressing, stuffing, or whatever you want to call it. Going. See, that thing is nice and moist. All the onions and look at that. Give it a taste. Nice and crispy on top. Nice and moist. So freaking flavorful. Alright guys, y'all guys gotta like, share, subscribe, and as always, have a wonderful day, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.